Good morning, Dr. Amy Kroeker here, licensed naturopathic doctor with your health tip of the day. Today being the beginning of September, I'm looking at setting goals for the fall and for the next sort of school year, I guess you could call it. And so today's tip is to set some goals and then to track your goals. There's a great quote that says, "What gets measured gets managed." And I like to track my goals so that I can actually see the small little steps of progress rather than feeling like, oh, I didn't achieve my goal one day, therefore I'm not achieving my goal, or falling off the bandwagon, so to speak, which is not a great way to look at any new habit that we're making, because there will be days when we don't achieve those habits, and we don't want to then allow that step backwards to pull us back and stop us from moving forwards towards creating that new habit. So for me, one of my goals is to actually hydrate myself better. So I use an app called Way of Life, and Way of Life actually lets me set that as a goal, and then every day it reminds me around 8 or 9 in the evening to track that goal and say whether I, yes, completed the hydration challenge for the day, or no, I did not. And so by tracking that over time, I can see if one week I maybe only completed that 50% of the time. In my mind, I might think, oh, that's not good enough. I don't want 50% of the time. I want 100% of the time to be hydrated. But if the next week I do 60% of the time hydrating myself and achieving my goal, then I can actually see that, oh, that's a step in the right direction. I'm getting better at that goal. And so that's one of the things that I love about that app, is that it allows us to see the bigger picture and track how we're progressing towards our goal, rather than thinking in all or nothing terms and thinking, oh, I didn't get it in a day. Well, okay, well, I'll restart next Monday because I want to have every day be hydrated. That's not a good way to look at things, whether you're dieting or whether you're trying to achieve a hydration goal, or whether you're trying to create a new habit of exercising. When you're creating new habits, you really need to see that bigger picture and see whether you're making small steps, whether today was better than yesterday. And that's really what we want to do when we're setting goals and trying to achieve them. So that's today's health tip of the day. Hope you enjoyed. Take care.